Friends, the given problem is solve d square plus 4 into y is equal to tan 2x by the method of variation of parameters. So first you observe this is the higher order differential equation, that is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. Here q of x is tan 2x. So for this problem, what is the solution? We have general solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral. Generally for f of d into y is equal to q of x, we will do in two types. One is the general method, another one is shortcut method. When you can apply general method and shortcut method, we already discussed, but here they are mentioned clearly by using method of variation of parameters. So must and should we have to do in this method only if they are given solve d square plus 4 into y is equal to tan 2x, you can apply any method. Okay, here clearly they are mentioned this one. So here you observe the complementary function plus particular integral for any type of the differential equation, means for like this type of the differential equation we require. So here it is, what is the order here? Order 2. The differential equation of order is 2. So first we need to find out the complementary function and then we have to find out the particular integral. Right, you see friends, complementary function we are finding. Complementary function, let y is equal to e power mx be a solution of f of d into y is equal to 0. That implies auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is you will have f of m is equal to 0. Y is equal to e power mx if you are done, then this d square plus 4 into tan 2x will become m square plus 4 into m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the roots for this. Then m square is equal to minus 4, which implies m is equal to plus or minus 2i. So the roots are here imaginary. Roots are what here? Imaginary. So in this case complementary function is y of x is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Friends, in the method of variation of parameter method, generally we will consider complementary function as c1 u of x plus c2 v of x. Then whatever the particular integral we will consider as a into u of x plus b into v of x. Okay, where a is equal to minus integral vr dx by w of x. Next, b is equal to integral ur dx by w of x. Yes, and same method, these methods we need to follow now. Now it is like u in c1 into u of x plus c2 into v of x or not. So here in this case consider the complementary function is this one. Now particular integral is ypi is equal to a into u of x. A into, what is u of x here? Cos 2x plus b into v of x. What is the v of x is here? B into sin 2x. That's it. Now what are the unknowns we have actually here? What about the c1 c2 are? C1 c2 are arbitrary constant in the complementary function. But what about ab? AB we need to find out in the particular integral. How you can find out AB means a is equal to minus integral vr dx by w of x. V is equal to ur dx by w of x. Here w of x is a Wronskian function. So what is a Wronskian? Is nothing but Wronskian w of x we are denoting with the u for a function w of u comma v. Yes or no? Now u v u dash v dash. So u is equal to here. U is equal to what you have? C1 u of x. So C1 cos tx. What is u now? Cos 2x. Next, v of x. V of x is here c2 quotient. What is the c2 quotient here? Sin 2x. Now the derivative of u is nothing but cos derivative minus sin 2x into 2. So minus 2 I am writing here. Next, sin 2x derivative is cos 2x into 2. That's it. Now do the do the determinant here. In this case you will have 2 into cos square 2x minus into minus plus 2 into sin square 2x. So you can take 2 is a common. Then you will have cos square 2x plus sin square 2x is 1. So Wronskian is equal to how much here? The value is 2. Now you see, now we need to find out a. What is a here? A is equal to minus integral v r dx by w of x. Here v, r and w all are in terms of x only. Okay. Now minus integral of v. What is v? V is nothing but sin 2x. So sin 2x into, what is r of x? What is r of x here? Actually here you see friends, this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So this is I am considering actually in the differential equation of order 2 we have in this form. You see d square y by dx square plus p of x into dy by dx plus q of x into y is equal to r of x. So right side part of the second order differential equation is called r of x. So here r of x is what? Tan 2x. Okay, into tan 2x divided by w of x. What is the w of x? I have 2. Now we have to simplify this. What is the tan 2x? Actually sine by sine, tan is nothing but sine by cos. So you can write this is minus 1 by 2 outside, integral of sine 2x into sine 2x by cos 2x into dx. You see, now we have to integrate this one. Denominator you have cos 2x, numerator you have sine into sine is nothing but sine square 2x. Is denominator derivative in the numerator? No. So you cannot apply f dash of x by f of x formula. So we have to apply another formula. Small moment. One moment please. So can we apply integral f dash of x by f of x into dx? No. So now go for the any other formulas. So what are the formulas we have actually? You see friends, sine square 2x you can write in two types. 1 minus cos square 2x is one formula. Another formula also we have. What is that formula? Means here 1 minus cos 4x by 2. Okay. Now you have two formulas. Na? In these two formulas, which formula is suitable? Once you check it. Now go for this. So if you are substituted that 1 minus cos 4x by 2, but denominator what I have? Cos 2x. So this you can write 1 by cos 2x. But cos 4x by cos 2x, will you get the solution? No. So you cannot apply this method. Now you have to go for this formula. Check it here. 1 minus cos square 2x divided by cos 2x means 1 by cos 2x minus cos square and cos getting cancelled. So you can apply this method, right? This formula you can apply. Now minus 1 by 2 times of integral of 1 minus cos square 2x by cos 2x into dx. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 times of you can write this as 1 by cos. 1 by cos is nothing but secant 2x minus cos square and denominator cos 1 square and cos getting cancelled, then the remaining is cos 2x into dx. Now minus 1 by 2 times of what is the sine what is the secant x derivative? Log of secant x plus tan x. Secant ax derivative minus 1 by a log 1 by a log of secant ax plus tan x. So secant 2x is then that formula I am going to apply. In this case I will get 1 by 2 times of log of mod secant 2x plus tan 2x. Okay. Now minus cos 2x integration is here you have cos integration just sine 2x by 2. Okay, now you multiply inside minus 1 by 2, then you will have 1 by 4 times of minus 1 by 4 times of log of secant 2x plus tan 2x minus into minus plus 1 by 4 times of sine 2x, which is what value actually? This is the value of a only, a of x. Of course a is a function of x. Now you want b value, that is b is equal, we have integral ur dx by w of x, integral u. What is the u? You have c1 cos 2x. So from this what is u? Cos 2x. What is the w? 2. What is r? We have tan 2x. U is cos 2x, r is tan 2x divided by 2 into dx. Now 1 by 2 outside, integral of cos 2x into tan 2x is nothing but sine 2x by cos 2x into dx. So this denominator and numerator getting cancelled, then you will have only sine 2x. 1 by 2 is outside, sine 2x integration is minus cos 2x by 2. So finally you will have minus 1 by 4 times of cos 2x, which is the value of b. Now we have to substitute this value in a into u of x plus b into v of x. What is this value? Particular integral. Then we need to replace u of x value with the cos 2x, and a is equal to this one, and b is here you have 1 minus 1 by 4 times of cos 2x. Yes or no? And what is v here? You have sin 2x. Then the final solution is y of x is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So this is the final answer. Just you need to write this one. Is it clear for everyone? I will repeat again that formula. One moment please. If the given differential equation is of order 2, that is in the form of d square y by dx square plus p of x into dy by dx plus q of x into y is equal to r of x. Okay, now you observe this is also in operator form f of d into y is equal to tan to x. Now we have to do method of variation of parameters. In this method of variation of parameter, for any differential equation, if it is in the form f of d into y is equal to r of x, let it be r of x, we require complementary function plus particular integral. In the complementary function, directly we are considering c1 u of x plus c2 v of x. Based on what you are getting, that is just you compare with the c1 u of x plus c2 v of x, where c1 comma c2 are arbitrary constant. Now in the particular integral, directly you need to write here the particular integral. Particular integral replace c1 by a, c2 by b. Now you need to find out a and b. How you can get a and b means we have a formula for this. In the variation of parameters, we have a is equal to minus integral vr dx by w of x and b is equal to ur dx by w of x. So now you will get the answer, right? A value, b values are you substitute in a particular integral. Now the general solution is nothing but what? Complementary function plus particular integral. Now you add these two. That is the final solution of the method of variation of parameters. Thank you for watching this video.